How to log into SBI credit card account online. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about logging into your SBI credit card online account. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open any of the web browser on your computer or your mobile device, and then after search for sbicard.com in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. This will take you to the official website of SBI Bank, and in this page you have to locate the login option in the top right corner of the screen that is highlighted in blue color. Click on it, and as soon as you do this, you will be taken to the login portal where you have to enter your correct form of your mobile number in the designated area first. Also enter the verification code. You can also log in using your user ID or your card details. For the user ID section, enter your user ID in the designated area first and click on proceed. And if you'd like to log in with your card details, simply enter the primary card number in the designated area and click on proceed. And in the case if you have forgotten your user ID, you can simply go ahead and click on the forgot user ID or the password option to retry or reset your credentials. And if you are a first-time user, you can simply go ahead and click on the register now link in order to register for the account. And if your user ID is locked, simply click on the unlock user ID to unlock it. So this was all about it. This is how you can log into your SBI credit card account. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.